In this video, we are going to build an AI voice agent that makes a reminder call to our customer after 3 months. Now, this is a long time, but there are specific businesses that can utilize this function. And according to my research, these are businesses such as HVAC companies, pet vaccination and checkup companies, and specifically dentists and orthodontics, because dentists and orthodontics have routine checkups for their patients, and we are going to make the AI voice agent for orthodontics specifically because they have things like braces and Invisalign. So they have 3 to 6 months checkup, and they can utilize this voice agent. And when they are using this voice agent, they just have to type a reminder date, and that when that date comes, the AI agent is automatically going to call that person, that patient, and it is going to remind them about the checkup that they have due. So let's get into the tutorial and look at how I built the voice agent. So this is a voice agent that I have built. So first we are going to look at Google Sheets, because this is important. We are going to get the data and we are going to write the date in the Google Sheets document. In here we have all the data, but the thing that's more important is the reminder date and reminder sent, because this is the data that the AI voice agent will automatically look at. If this date equals today, then the AI voice agent will do the reminder call, will make the reminder call. And if the reminder sent equals yes, the AI voice agent will not send the call. But if it equals no, the AI voice agent will make the calls. But make sure to write these dates in plain text, because in Google Sheets what we have is that automatic calendar. So when we write this, we get a calendar. Double clicking on the date, we will get a calendar and we can choose a date from there. But this doesn't work for the AI agent. So what you have to do is to select these dates, go to format, number, and select plain text. This is the sheets part, and you also have to make sure that reminder date and reminder sent are in these two columns. So this is it for the Google Sheets part. Next we have the Retell part, and here I have the prompt for the Retell voice agent. It's going to be our AI voice agent. This is going to be the brain of the agent, and we are going to add variables in this agent. So this is the script. I provided this script in the resources down below. So there is a Google document where you will find all the resources that I have used in this voice agent. So let's see how I have built the Retell AI voice agent. If you know nothing about AI voice agents, Retell AI can attend. I will provide a link down below to my video. It will give you a basic tutorial on how to build agents and how to build workflows in N10, so you have a basic idea how they are made. So you just have to make an AI voice agent in Retell AI, rename it, and then you will see an interface like this. So let's keep these on default because this is our chat model and this is our voice. Let's keep this on default. I have renamed this as 3 months call because this is going to call the patient after 3 months about reminding them. Now let's go through the prompt that our AI agent is going to follow. Name Zoe. Role outbound appointment reminder for bright smile orthodontics. Tone friendly, casual, natural, small filters. Okay, okay, got it. Keep replies 1 to 2 sentences, up to 3 when confirming changes. So the AI doesn't keep asking questions and keep saying things robotically. Ask one question at a time, sound human, not robotic. Opening line, outbound. Hi, is this first name? This is a variable, and we are going to give this name to the AI voice agent because we can have multiple patients that we have to call. So we are going to write this as a variable. Hi, is this first name I'm speaking to? If yes, this is Zoe from Bright Smile Orthodontics. I'm calling to remind you that it's time for your next service type. So this service type could be Invisalign alignment or braces checkup. Would you like to schedule your next appointment? If no, is first name available? I've written this because if another person picks up the call, it can ask for that person for which the appointment was booked at first. Can I leave a message for them? If it's the son of the patient or mother or anyone else from the family, the AI agent can leave this message. Service summary about customer, call summary. So this is the data that the AI voice agent is going to know about the customer. So they know that if it was Invisalign alignment braces checkup, and the patient could be the son or the daughter. So the AI agent knows who is the patient and who will pick up the call. Always consider call summary as the data about the customer and speak according to it. Confirm appointment. If yes, perfect, your appointment is all set. We look forward to seeing you. If they ask for details, repeat info from call summary. Reschedule, no problem. What day and time would work best for you? Use the appointments tool to check availability. If preferred time isn't available, offer 3 alternative slots. Confirm new appointment all set. You will get a confirmation email shortly. I have not written this, so let's keep it on this. Cancel. This will cancel the appointment. I can take care of that for you. I'll cancel your appointment and you will get a confirmation text or email shortly. We have not built into this, so let's keep it normal. Wrap up. Ask, is there anything else I can help you with? Anything? Wait for reply. After reply, say thanks again from all of us at Bright Smile Orthodontics. Have a great day. Tools, appointment. So these are the tools that the AI agent will use. Appointments. It will use this tool to confirm, reschedule, cancel, or and book appointments. Okay. Always confirm date and time before updating. Notes. Never ask for first name, last name, phone, email, or treatment type unless missing, because we have the customer data and we are calling just for a reminder. Keep conversation short, natural, and friendly. Let's save it. Welcome message. AI speaks first. Message type dynamic. We also have to add 2 functions. Add call will be automatically added. We can also add another function, which is appointments. It will be used to book, cancel, or reschedule appointments. I've shown step-by-step guide on how to build this tool easily. You can go and watch the video below for that. For now, let's keep it simple and let's keep it on end call, which it will use to end the call. This is all for the Retell part. Now we just have to hit on publish, select a phone number that the AI agent will use, and hit on publish. Let's copy this phone number, and we have to keep this phone number in mind because we will use it on another place, and we just have to hit on publish. And the next tool that we have is Google Script. Now this one is not going to be any complex. I'm just going to give you the template. You just have to go to this URL. You will see your Google account connected to in here because it is a Google tool. Let's go to new project and you will see a UI, a user interface like this one. You just have to paste the script that I have provided you in the resources, and it will be it. In here you have to edit this part. So sheet ID, you have to enter the sheet ID that you have. This is our sheet ID between edit and the D. Copy this sheet ID and paste it in here. Next is the webhook URL that we will have in NAN. Webhook. Let's go to webhook, copy production URL because test URL is just for testing. Let's just paste this. Okay, so this is it. I just broke the connection because I don't want to call it to Retell. Next we have sheet name, which will be default, I think, because this is a sheet 1. And next we have the date column index, which I said before that you should put them on these K and L columns. So Google Scripts knows exactly what columns it has to check. Now we have to hit on save, and this project of ours will be saved. Note this text right here and go to triggers because we have to trigger it on a specific time. Select add trigger, and we have to select that text that we saw on our project. select it, and we will select head in here. This will be time driven. Let's select day timer, and let's select from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So this trigger will make the workflow run every day, and when it checks that any column reminder date is today, it will call the AI voice agent. And this is it. Save it. This will run daily, and this will check for the dates, for the reminder dates. Next, we have our N8 and workflow. So this is how this workflow looks like. Webhook will get the data about all the customer that AI agent has to call. It will be in a single document. Let's call it that way. Split out will see that document, will look at that document, and will organize them customer by customer. So we will have, if we have 10 customers, we have like 10 items in the data. Next is the loop over item. So let's call our customers items. It will process one item at a time. So it will send one customer info to our HTTP request node. Let's call it Retell, because it will be calling Retell to call the customers. So loop over times gets one customer data from it, passes it over to our AI voice agent. The AI voice agent, when has made the call, it will go next to the wait node, and it will wait 5 minutes, because a call usually lasts 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes it will go again into loop over items. Our first customer has been called. Now it's the time to call the second customer. So loop over items will now get the second customer from split out and send it to HTTP request node. Then it will call the second customer. Then it will wait 5 minutes, and then it will go again into loop over items. Loop over items will get another customer info, the third one, and so on and so forth. So this is how this workflow looks like. For the loop over items settings, select one, and this is it. Next is the HTTP request node, and make sure to connect it to the loop output. Let's select HTTP request node. Let's select method to post URL. Select this one. You can copy paste it, and it's also in the resources. Authentication none, and next select and enable send headers. Select use fields below, name, authorization, bearer key. So you have to copy your Retell AI key and paste it in here. Let me show you how to copy Retell AI key in case you don't know that. So let's go to settings, API keys, and here we will see an API key. Let it load. Here is our API key. I have two, but you will probably have one. Copy this API key, and you just have to paste it in here. Control plus V, and your API key will be pasted in here. Next, we have to select add parameters. These two fields will be added. Select name as content type, write name as content type, and value as application JSON. Select send body, enable it, body content type as JSON, specify body. This is also written in the resources, so you can copy and paste it in here. Select your agent, which is, let's select our agent ID. Let's go to agent and select our 3 months call agent that we have built in Retell. This is our agent ID. Let's paste it in here. So it's like a connection between the N8, so N8 sends N8 sends the order to Retell AI to call the agent. Next, we have the phone number. This will be the phone number that we have connected to our agent. Copy this and paste it in here, and that's it. These are all the variables that we have already added in our Retell AI voice agent. So these are our variables. So N8 will send this data to these variables. If any of these variables is blurred or grayed, you can select it from here. Let's say we have wrongly written this, it will be red or it will be blurred. Let's select reminder date. So let's cancel this one and add this one, so it will be green again. So this was the AI voice agent, and if you think this AI voice agent workflow was a bit confusing for you, and if you want me to do this step by step instead of explaining the things that I have done in different apps, you can just write it in comments, and next time when we make an AI voice agent, I will do a step-by-step creation of that agent. So if this video was helpful to you, please consider pressing that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.